What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to voice control your Dyson TP04 tower fan. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to find your Dyson Link App and then launch the app. And then once it's launched and it's connected with your fan, you're going to go up here in the settings and you're going to press on that. And then you're going to see a bunch of different options. Third one down is voice control. You're going to press that. And then it gives you two options. You can use the voice control feature with Siri or Amazon Alexa. Now personally, I don't have Amazon Alexa, so I'm going to select Siri. And then down here, it's going to tell you if you want to add a new shortcut. You're going to press on that. And then with this shortcut, what it's asking you now is that when you tell Siri to turn on the fan, it's going to turn it on to the specs that you're going to set it to now. So let's just say, for example, I want it to be set at, let's just do it at 3. So it's going to be set at fan speed 3, and let's just do, we're going to turn off auto mode, and we're going to do fan speed 3, and we're not going to do any oscillation, so we're going to turn that off. And then we're going to do add to Siri. Once you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to name the shortcut. So as you can see here, I named it Turn on Dyson. So I'm going to say add to Siri, and there you go. Now once you do that, it's going to recommend that you add the turn off setting, the turn off shortcut. So press add and then turn off Dyson. Now you see those two phrases, turn on Dyson, turn off Dyson? Those are the two phrases you're going to be saying to Siri. Okay, so now that we added the shortcuts that I just showed you, let's test them out. So I'm going to go, hey Siri, turn on Dyson.
Okay, setting. We've applied the settings you requested.
As you can see right here, it turned on the fan to fan speed number 3, just the exact same shortcut that I set it to. Now, when I'm done with it, I can do, hey Siri, turn off Dyson.
Okay, done.
As you can see, it turned right off. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.